Blessed Monday, everybody. Welcome. So, today we are going to be cooking fried oyster mushrooms. You can hear my wild pack in the background. I gotta feed these creatures, so let me flip it around so you can see what we're working with. All right, so right here we have oyster mushrooms. I found them at the Oriental Market here in Tampa. So these are the whole ones. So we have the whole ones and the mini ones. I've done the mini ones, so this time we decided to do the whole ones. All right. So right here we have our wet batter, which is unbleached flour, all-purpose flour with cayenne pepper, a little bit of garlic salt, a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, and for our spicy lovers, we have a little Creole seasoning and paprika. Here's our dry batter. We have flour, onion powder, garlic powder, a little paprika, and of course, Creole seasoning. All right, so we see our wet batter is gone. We have some still over here in the dry batter. We got a few cooked. I cut them in half a little bit, and we have some frying up. Now, as for our side dishes, we have our How macaroni and cheese with some vegan cheese sprinkled in there. And we also have some balsamic onion Brussels sprouts in the oven. All right, meal's almost done. We'll send you a plate in just a second. All right, everything is done, and here's our finished product.
Yeah, chicken.
Recipes will be listed below. Enjoy. All right, he approves. Says good.
Hello, Buster. Hello,
And I'm about to
Buster.
grub.
Hello, Buster.
Enjoy, guys.